You have the paddy van here. You know? Don't. Get back to your place on a flat top truck.
How?
I have to ring up a flat top truck.
I can't afford that.
I'll pay for it.
No, Terry, don't be
We've got to
stupid.
get home, mate.
Yeah, we're getting home.
How?
We're fucking driving home.
Don't do it. Nico, don't do it, bud. Please.
Terry,
That's being Michael at the Coffee Lounge banning people. That's it.
Terry, it's all coming down to the thin end of the wedge.
Yes, but you don't do it today, now, at this moment, because it doesn't work that way, buddy. You know? It's like
How else do you do it?
it's like as if you run into a car, you can't say, I didn't run into it. You did something wrong and you busted. You have to accept that now. And we have to see the immediate thing of how we get this vehicle home and how you get home to your wife.
I can't be forced to contract. Simple as that. No man can be forced in contract. If you were, then that would be slavery, wouldn't it?
Yes, we know all that. You're talking to the converted, mate.
Well, it's war. It's all well and good to talk.
Yes, but you're not going to cause a change of the world by
This is exactly how the change.
They are the bottom of the what's the name? They're just
I know.
cops.
I understand.
They're not the CIA.
Yep.
The traffic cops.
They're pirates come ashore.
Well, they could be ringing up now, and
They are pirates
You'll end up
ashore.
you'll end up with more men here, and you'll.
Yep. I know, intimidation.
That's what you want,
Yeah.
you know.
Escalation, intimidation. This is basically like armed robbery.
But they're not intimidating. You're intimidating them.
Oh, the poor possums. Am I? Refusing to answer their questions?
They're not.
I'm under no obligation to answer their questions. Come on, guys. Queensland is a piece of paper.
I know that. But that's not what this is about.
It is.
Okay.
It's all about paper, Terry.
Well,
we were talking about it earlier today. It's all about paper. They're going to give me a piece of paper and want me to give them money.
You'll
That's
probably
what it
get
is.
more than a piece of paper if you keep going on that tangent.
Yep.
You load yourself up with more than you have to.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the attitude I would even contemplate.